The latest innovation from Equator Advanced Appliances makes washing and drying clothes in tight spaces or low water pressure a breeze. The Super Combo Easy 5500 CV is the ultimate in convenience. The front-loading washer and dryer in one is able to handle up to 18 pounds of laundry at a time. The smart technology determines exactly how much water is needed for each load to prevent any waste. You can even add a dropped sock after the machine has started. The drying cycle, which uses dual fans, systematically determines the right amount of heat and time needed to get the load dry. With the touch of a button, the unit is the only one in the world that can be switched from vented or condensed drying, depending on the season and your location. The 15 different programs make washing and drying everything from towels to stinky socks easy and convenient. The sanitize cycle is especially helpful when you need to kill any viruses or contagions. The water is heated to 165 degrees. The allergen cycle takes special care to eliminate dust mites and other common irritants that cause runny noses and scratchy throats. The antimicrobial baffles inside the stainless steel drum are designed to prevent bacteria growth. The self-clean option removes any dirt or mold that may have been left behind. The color-coded LED display makes this appliance easy to use immediately or on a programmed schedule. The built-in diagnostic makes quick work of solving any problems. A child lock on the controls prevent any accidental operations. Users will love how quiet the machine runs. The decibel reading registers at less than 60. The unit measures 33.5 inches high by 23.5 inches wide and has a depth of 25 inches. The Model 5500 can be winterized in 2 minutes with some antifreeze and the touch of a button. It comes in 5 colors: spring, summer, fall, winter, and Arctic Vortex. The easy-to-scan QR code will take you to a manual, warranty, or help in case you need it. The Super Combo Easy 5500 CV is compliant with Proposition 65 in California. Equator Advanced Appliances offers a 1-year warranty on parts and labor. This washer-dryer combo will do everything except fold the clothes.